I invited my friend Adam Dobray's guitarist extraordinaire to my studio here to talk about what it's like for accordion and guitar to play jazz and swing music. We looked at All of Me, Fly Me to the Moon, Autumn Leaves, to see what role does the accordion play when playing with a guitar. How do we trade between solos? Do I play both hands, just left hand? What's it like for me to just comp on the right hand? When I'm soloing, do I do this? Or this? What does that sound like? Again, over 30 minutes of lesson and conversation. It's included with your Accordion Love membership. I'll leave you with some sound samples now. I encourage you to go check it out. Thank you. So when I was doing the solo, I started to take out my left, and it was fine, especially with a bigger voice. Yes. I could just do...
Actually, when you did that, I made me want to play more chords. 7 up here. Still an A7, but your bass notes changed. And
yeah.
That's how to make, I think, the guitar playing more interesting, is having different bass notes on the bottom of the chord.